So students, on the basis of today's lecture or today's teaching, I am going to give you some words. Those are not mentioned at the bottom of your book. That means apart from these word meanings, I am going to give you some words. You search it out from the dictionary and note down in your copy and memorize it. Numbering you do yourself. Slammed, S-L-A-M-M-E-D, slammed. Next, tapped, T-A-P-P-E-D, tapped. Next, shriveled, S-H-R-I-V-E-L-L-E-D, shriveled. Next, kneading, K is silent here, K-N-E-A-D-I-N-G, kneading. Next, whirled, W-H-I-R-L-E-D, whirled. Next, mowing, M-O-W-I-N-G, mowing. Next, flung, F-L-U-N-G, flung. Guys, you do the numbering on your own, Roman number 1, 2, 3 or ABC. Next, charcoaled, C-H-A-R-C-O-A-L-E-D, charcoaled. Next, inconvenience, I-N-C-O-N-V-E-N-I-E-N-C-E, inconvenience. I hope you are acquainted with this word, inconvenience. Scrap, S-C-R-A-P, scrap. Next, burrows, B-U-R-R-O-W-S, burrows. Next, frothed, the pronunciation is frothed, F-R-O-T-H-E-D. Next, sniffing, S-N-I-F-F-I-N-G. And the last one is frenzy, F-R-E-N-Z-Y, frenzy. So guys, these are the words and you search the meaning of these words, note down in your copy and memorize it. Definitely you have to memorize. Positively you will memorize the meanings of these words, because when the school will reopen after some time, that means the school will reopen, and not at once, after 10 days, 1 week, I will take surprise test on word meaning. So that, why? Because I will assess that whether you had paid attention towards my teaching or not, whether seriously you followed my lecture or not. So guys, already when I started this chapter, I told you the 3 categories in the field of literature. Any literature, whether it is Tamil, whether it is Bengali, whether it is English, whether it is French, Spanish, Russian, whatever, there are 3 categories: natural, unnatural and supernatural. And this story, it comes under supernatural category. And the author, he has presented the story in an outstanding manner, superb manner, to entertain the readers. So the readers are quite satisfied and they are quite entertained after reading the stories, whatever the stories the author, he has written in his life or he wrote in his life. And the name of the author is Ray Douglas Bradbury. So as a modern author, he has written ample of stories, short stories based on thrill, mystery, supernaturalism, and he is very successful to entertain the readers. So guys, this much for the day, and I hope that you will memorize or you will find out the meanings of those words, and loudly you read this chapter up to page 61. And if you want to complete reading of this chapter, well and good. It will be a good job if you want to complete this chapter. That means till end, you read loudly, try to understand the lines, and after that I am there in my next lecture, in my next teaching. I will try to complete this story, and accordingly I will explain the content of the story and what message does the author want to convey to the readers through this fiction or fictitious story, supernatural story. So this much for the day. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.